Hello, are you ready to practice easy English conversation and speak more confidently? In this video, you'll learn how to use question tags and how to say your nationality. Let's dive in.
Let me tell you my cell phone number.
Hey Brian, do you know where Josie is?
No, I'm not sure.
Well, maybe you can help me. Josie is Canadian, isn't she?
No, she's French. Why do you want to know her nationality?
I thought she was from Canada. I wanted to ask her some questions about Canada for my history homework.
Well, I could help you with that. I lived in Canada for a few years.
Oh, really? That'd be great. Do you have time now?
No, sorry. I have to stop by the library before class.
Then can I call you tonight?
Sure. Let me tell you my cell phone number.
Okay, I'll put it into my cell phone. Go ahead.
Do you know Steve's friend Mary? She's visiting him for a few weeks.
Oh, yes, I remember her. She's Canadian, isn't she?
Right. She's from Canada. That's what I heard.
Maybe we'll meet her at Steve's house. Josie is Canadian, isn't she? Josie is Canadian, isn't she?
Question tags are short phrases added to the end of statements to turn them into questions. They are often used to confirm information. Structure. If the main sentence is positive, the question tag is usually negative. If the main sentence is negative, the question tag is typically positive. Example, you're coming to the party, aren't you? You're coming to the party, aren't you? She doesn't like pizza, does she? She doesn't like pizza, does she? Subject pronouns. Listen and practice repeating the question tags.
Sure. Let me tell you my cell phone number.
When you want to share personal details with someone, we typically use specific phrases. Let's look at a few examples.
I need to send you the details. How can I contact you?
Sure, let me share with you my email address.
Great. I'll send everything right away.
Perfect. I'll check and get back to you soon.
Now listen to A role and participate in the conversation.
I need to send you the details. How can I contact you? Great. I'll send everything right away.
conversation by playing the A role.
Yes, I bought a house in downtown New York. I thought I'd mentioned it. Thanks. I'll let you know my new address soon. Of course. I'll send you all the details later.
Now test your understanding of question tags with this exercise. Now let's learn how to say your nationality or where you're from in English. I'm French.
I'm Welsh.
I'm Danish.
I'm Finnish.
I'm Dutch. I'm Icelander. I'm Nepali. I'm Singaporean.
I'm Vietnamese.
I'm Hong Konger. I'm Hong Kongese.
I'm Thai.
I'm Qatari. I'm Saudi. I'm Emirati.
I'm Kuwaiti.
I'm Omani. I'm Palestinian. I'm Lebanese.
I'm Jordanian.
I'm Syrian. I'm Iraqi. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. I'm Chilean. I'm Argentine or Argentinian.
I'm Salvadorian.
I'm Honduran.
I'm Costa Rican.
I'm Egyptian. I'm Moroccan. I'm Tunisian. I'm Senegalese.
I'm Algerian.
Thanks for being with me today, and thanks for the support. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.